piyesang to sa pinakauna kong poetry slam. Round 2 siya kasi hindi ko actually, sinulat ko lang to. Dahil akala ko hindi ako lulusot ng round 1, pero lulusot ako ng round 1 for some reason. Anyway, this piece is called Mundane Dreams. Throughout all the years of my life, there's this one question that people often ask me. What do you want to be? And throughout the decades, my answers have varied. When I was 5, I wanted to be a princess with a pink pretty dress, sky blue eyes, and hair that shone like the afternoon sunlight. When I was 7, I wanted to be a doctor. At 10, I wanted to be everything at once. I wanted to be an astronaut, a writer, a ninja, even a dinosaur. Soar. When I was 15, I wanted to soar. To be someone who is free. To fly high up in the clouds and reach the stars. Believe me, I expected a fall, but no one warned me about the stars. But now, I just want to be mundane. No, you did not mishear me. I've seen a lot of raised eyebrows and question marks in people's faces whenever I say, this is what I want to be. But I want to be mundane. I want to be the parts that people don't notice long enough to care, and yet have them somewhat reassured to know that I am just there. I want to be the little stone inside of your shoe. I would press up against the soft part of your toe. I know it's a bit annoying, but I'd like to remind you to be careful of your steps wherever you go. I want to be your calluses. I would pile up and grow thicker, make your battered inches tougher. But still, I want you to remember that I remain part of your skin. I want to be the backlight of your laptop's keyboard. I would guide your fingers in the dark to know which keys to press next to form a word, a sentence, a poem, a memory. I want to be your memory. I could be the one that you tell others as part of your usual story, or the one that you keep hidden, stashed in some safe little space in your mind, where you could pull me out to wrap my arms around you when everything is too confusing or too frustrating, and you already feel like you're being left behind, darling. During those times, do not worry, I will keep you warm inside. I want to be the scabs of all of your scars, those little evidences of the pains you encountered in your past, but also the reminders that, dearest, however deep your wounds are, you are still able to heal. I want to be your sigh at the end of a long day, the one that you let out when you feel like the burdens have been lifted and all there is now is the promise of rest. I want to be your old hoodie, the one you still choose over your newer pieces. I might be worn around the edges or torn at the sides. But sweetheart, for you I am warm enough, and that's enough to make sense of these mundane dreams. Trust me when I say that there's nothing wrong in wanting to be mundane, because sometimes when the world gets a little too crazy, it's the mundane things that will keep you sane.